All right, hello. I'm going to take a minute just to show you how to create a VPN, also known as virtual private network on your computer. VPNs have plenty of uses. One of them could be to connect to a private network while you're on a public IP address on public Wi-Fi, but it also can be used to access certain sites that may be blocked by your IP address. Now, each computer's IP address where you log in from can tell your location, so maybe you're trying to access a site that may not be open in your country, but is open in other countries. You can also use it for that or many other reasons just to mask where you're getting in from. So show you real quick how to download one that is easy to use and free. I'm going to type in Opera browser. And Opera browser is very similar to Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge browser. It's very easy. It's just a web browser that has a built-in VPN. So we're going to go to download Opera. All right, as you can see, I am on a mobile device. I'm on a Windows device. So I would hit download now. And it's going to do the download here. Now, obviously, you see it says you to run Opera setup to perform installation. I've already done that, but this is where it's going to pop up at right up in here. So I would hit run, and it would automatically install and create an icon on my computer. So next thing you want to do is you want to open up the Opera browser. Okay, once you got the browser set up, you're going to hit the little O in the top of the screen and go to settings, and that's the screen we're actually on already. But you go to settings if that doesn't pop up at first. And I go to privacy and security. You notice under VPN, it says enable VPN. So I got that checked. Now I'm good. If you notice up here in the web browser where the web address is that you would normally type in, it's got VPN in blue, right? So I can click on that. You can see there's an on-off button right here. I click it here, turn it off. Click it here, turn it back on. And you can set your virtual location. As you see, I've got mine set to Europe. You can set it to either opt-in location, Asia, Europe, Americas. Very simple to use, but you can do that very easily. So I am set up there, as you can see. And now I can go to web browsing using my VPN, and it looks like I'm in a different location using that virtual private network. So give me a second to pause for a second. I'm going to share my screen on my phone to show you how to do the same thing with the Opera VPN app on your phone. All right, here we are on my phone screen. As you can see, I've got an Android device. I'm going to go to the Google Play Store. If you have an iPhone, it's going to the App Store and doing the same process. And there's a little bit of lag time. Just give it a second. And I go to the Play Store. Let's just pretend I've already went. I found the Opera VPN. As you can see, the icon is a red helmet, red Viking helmet. And once it's downloaded, installed, I just hit open. And it will take me to, now of course mine's already connected. I will go and turn mine off. See the green button at the top? I tap that, turns to red, turns it off. When I want to turn it back on, I turn it back on. Now when it's on, it's going to show connecting. And just give it a second here. It's a little bit of lag on the screen share. Okay, actually a lot of lag. But basically what you're not seeing, it's not popping up, is it's going to pop up and you're connected to a region. And then it'll allow you to change that region. As you can see now, connected to Germany. If you want to connect to somewhere else, you could do that as well. So anything you go to on your phone, whether I go to my Chrome browser on my phone, whatever web browser's on your phone, your entire phone is connected to that VPN. So what I want to do next, so when you're done browsing or going on where you want to go, I just hit the menu bar at the top left. It will open up my on-off button, and I can turn the VPN off. Now, I did notice something different on the iPhone app. On the iPhone app, instead of having that little slide button there in the top right corner, what looks like a power button, you just tap that on and off, and it'll turn your VPN on and off on your phone. So with that, that's it for VPN. Hopefully it was helpful. Both of these are very easy to use. They're free.